Hi, my name is Steven Anderson. I'm known as Smartest on social media, and I'm also one of the ZBrush live streamers. I love ZBrush. I have used ZBrush since 2012, and I have used it on projects at Blizzard Entertainment as a senior character supervisor on Overwatch. I've used it at Marvel. I've used it at Walt Disney Imagineering. Such a phenomenal tool, and it's extremely flexible. I love the tools that it gives me to be creative and design things from an artistic level and really push the aesthetic of our project. I also love the technical tools that it offers me so far as being able to design and build production-ready topology. And I love how it allows me not just professionally, but personally to develop my own projects, my own personal designs. I love designing my own toys, designing things for 3D print. It's so much fun. Come enjoy this summit with us. I look forward to seeing you guys there. Until next time, smartest out.